Hi guys, today I want to tell you about right angle triangle. A right angle triangle will have a right angle inside this triangle. The right angle will be labeled like a small square. So one angle inside this triangle supposed to be a right angle. So that's a right angle triangle. So you knew that right angle triangle or any triangle, scaling triangle, isosceles triangle, any triangle, when you add all the angles inside the triangle, it will be equal to 180, right? Now see, this one, we don't know whether this is a right angle triangle. Let's find out the missing angle, that is angle DEF. Okay, now let's see the missing angle inside the right angle triangle. Even though I write right angle triangle, we are yet to find out whether this is a right angle triangle. Let's see. Angle DEF, that is this angle, plus FDE, that is this angle, and EFD, that is this angle. All three angles is equal to 180 that we know. Now, to find out DEF, so we keep 180 and then we subtract the other two we subtract the other two angles. Now, how much is FDE? FD is 40. How much is EFD? EFD is 50. So we are subtracting the two, so we get 90. So now we know that angle DEF is a right angle triangle. Now let's see another example. Look at this one. Here the right angle is marked, so we know already one angle which is inside this triangle, which is a right angle. So when it is a right angle triangle, we know one angle must be 90. So normally that they will mark it, or we can mark the perpendicular intersection of the line as like this. They are perpendicularly intersect, so we can mark that point as 90 degree if they don't state this small square here. Anyways, now see the other angle is 30 and this is the one that we need to find out, right? Because we know the other one is the other two angles, which is 30 and 90 here. So we didn't know this one. Let's find out. So we know that angle GHI plus HIG plus IGH, that is the three angles, is equal to 180. So GHI will be equal to 180 minus the other two angles. So it is 90. One of the angle is 90. That is HIG. It is 90 degree, and then we found the angle is 60. Thank you.